Okay. How am I gonna unbox this? Hello everyone, this is Marco and welcome back to my channel. I've been expecting this parcel for, wow, like a month and a half, something like that. Canadian post is really slow, but this is a parcel from my good friend Brent. He got me something that is Jurassic World Rebirth related, and he said that he put some extras in there as well. By the size of the box. I have no idea what he's put in here. My goodness, it's huge. I don't really know how I'm gonna do this because I don't have enough space on my desk. So I'm gonna have to, let's move this onto the sofa. Oh, it's really light, by the way. It's huge, but really light. Okay, it's on the sofa. Sora's my cameraman woman. So let's open this. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of bubble wrap, that's good. And one bit off. And there's another bit off. This is good because we can reuse these. Because we've got some figures releasing soon. Another piece. Another piece. Another piece. Another piece. Another piece. Another piece. Another piece.
3 hours later.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individually wrapped things, one of which is a little parcel for Sora, so that's really nice. So I'm going to move everything onto the desk now and open everything individually. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna let Sora open hers. So we'll do Sora's one last, and let's pick one of these, I guess. Let's leave the biggest one last. Oh, I should say last but one. Let's start with this one, shall we? Put these away. Brent, that's too much stuff, by the way. What our original plan was for him to get me one thing that isn't available here in England. And then he said, you know what, I'm gonna stick some extras in. So I only know what one of these things is. But yeah, Brent, you're too generous. Oh dear. I think I know what this is. Flint and steel. Literally, there's flint and steel right there. Oh, thank you. I do have Steve already to go with him. My goodness, I am sweating already. It is 30 degrees centigrade, Celsius, which is 86 Fahrenheit. Yes, I'm sweating my tits off. I'm gonna bleep that. So if you see some sweat drops coming from above, it's me. Or maybe I'm crying because I'm really happy to get a creeper. Thank you so much, Brent. You're really, really kind. This will be a fine addition to my Minecraft collection. Is that a diamond? Why is there a diamond with a creeper? Okay, so let's do the next one. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see what this is. Okay, it's something from Mattel again. Yes. Okay, it's a Jurassic World Rebirth figure. This would be my third one, because I have the Mosasaurus with the boat. Then I have another figure, which will be my next video review, which I've already filmed. And then this one. Oh, it's the Edmontonia. Yeah, that's very nice. Thank you so much, Brent. You're too kind. Look at this little face. I really like the rubbery spikes on this. And it makes sense because this parcel comes from Canada. Of course, it had to be a Canadian dinosaur, didn't it? That's brilliant. Good choice, Brent. Good choice. Thanks again so much for this. Okay, next one. It's this one right here. It's a bit more square. Oh, it's like Christmas, but in summer. Oh, I think this is another Jurassic World figure. It's the Bike Club. Sora got me one of these. You went to New York. So, yeah, look at that. They're both really fat. I have a Dilophosaurus and Dennis Nedry. He's really cute, though. Look at that angry Dilo face. Oh, I see. There's a hole inside of the Dilophosaurus mouth. so you can put the venom spit thing in its mouth. I like that the colors are accurate too. Look at that. Does Dennis come with a stick though? Oh wait, I see. He's looking down because he's all covered in the venom spit, and the venom spit is all over the floor, and it's attached to his arms. Well, kind of attached to his arm. It looks like you can see it properly in the picture here. He's supposed to be looking at it, disgusted, going, ew! But I'm guessing these act as a stand for the figure so it doesn't fall. That's quite clever. Oh, that's nice. The Jurassic Park logo. And a picture of Dennis with the Dilo looking quite a bit smaller than that. This is huge. And yeah, we have the Indominus, I think. Is that Indominus or the Giga? It might be the Giga, actually. The Mosasaurus and the Dilophosaurus right there. It's so cute. Thank you so much again. Alright, I am sweating buckets. It's time to open the bigger one, which is the one that I know what it is, and Brent kindly got it for me and shipped it over because it's not available in England. Oh, she's decided to play in the bubble wrap. Oh, yeah. You happy now? Aww. Hello. So there we go. We have the bigger one here, and let's open it up, shall we? And there it is. Oh, there we go. Look at that. The lab lockdown Tyrannosaurus Rex, which is pretty much the brand new and improved extreme chomping. It's not as extreme. This thing, I think, is the best T-Rex Mattel's ever made. This thing is wonderful. So, expect a video review on this thing. Wow, look at that. Oh, this thing is nice. This is such a huge step up from the extreme chomping. Look at that. It doesn't have the neck thing, which looked a bit funny. It's not pear-shaped. The sculpt detail is just phenomenal. Oh, wow. Oh, thank you so much, Brent. You're a star. Oh, it's called Massive Chomp. Okay, but it's not extreme. You had enough? Also, you know what I just realized is I left this thing in here. Hello. Again, I can't thank you enough, Brent. Thank you so much. Look at that! I think now it's time for Sora to open hers. You like big boxes? It's probably really warm in there for her though. Hello. You're laughing. Well, Brent, you've got presents for everyone. You got one for me, for Sora, and for Mrs. Okay, now Sora's gonna open hers. There we go. I'd like to see Sora paint this little guy up. I think you might know what this might be.
I have an idea.
Oh, is that a pen?
Oh. Allosaurus!
Allosaurus has never seen such beauty before. Well, we've got our sticker book, haven't we?
We do.
Put them in there. Oh, Brent, you packed these really well, don't you? Oh, look at that! Oh.
The baby colour.
Oh, look at that. It's all silvery and stuff. Kind of don't want to see it painted because of the nice colours it's got. Yeah, look at the little arms. Look. That's adorable, yeah. A sleepy face. It looks like Mrs. in the box.
Super cute.
Look at all that little detail. It's all hand sculpted too. Also, there's no air bubbles in there. It's a cast, isn't it? Yeah, it's really tricky to not get air bubbles in sculpts that are this. So, are you going to paint it up for your YouTube channel?
Yeah, why not?
Any idea what colours you want to do it?
No, myself.
Thanks so much, Brent.
Yeah, thank you.
You're hugging it. So that's it. Thank you so much again. I can't thank you enough, Brent. I rarely do unboxings like this because I usually feel quite guilty for people giving me stuff. You know, it's good to do maybe once in a while. So thank you again so much. You know, I've had people asking me to open up a PO box but we'd have to rent one. We can't really afford that. Also, I don't know if I would feel comfortable with people sending me stuff, but who knows, maybe in the future, if the world's still around. That's the haul. Thank you again so much. Apparently, Brent, you've only made 3 of these, and you gave us the silver one. It's kind of surreal having been seeing your posts and seeing all of these, and then we just have the one that was in the post right here. It just feels surreal, but also we feel incredibly grateful to have this. Thanks. So yeah, this is everything. Expect a review of this coming soon. I'm not going to review the creeper, but yeah, again, I just can't thank you enough. I don't really know what else to say, really. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, as always, I'll catch you in the next one, which is most likely going to be a review. If it's not the Spinosaurus, then it will probably be this one. And with that, thank you so very much for watching, and stay safe, everyone.